Pan kente ke pule puthi jong ki khynnah skol Lyngba ka jing pendon kam ya ki bo technology ka office u block development officer mairang CNR di block ha ka sau terek unai tung arja apulai ka penlong ya program ban sam ki mtap Lyngba ka scheme chief minister's digital learning aid syaki praspa angut ki khynnah pule jong ka mairang block ki banang pule ka class 11 jong snam arja apulai ya kini ke program la penlong Hasin Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang ha ka bau ba met ba lingdo UMLA ka Mairang bat u chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board ulalong kumukong san haringkat ka jia don lang u deputy commissioner ka Eastern West Khasiels District uba ji kharmau plang kum usumbut kong san ha ka jing kran kumukong san uba met ba ulong makane ka jing sam ya kini ki tablet kalong ka kabu ka ba kraw ya ki khynnah pule baya kum kini kilat jingerap ki ba sarkar ka ai khlam kanu ka jing siu pisa ula kun turu iki samla puli ba kum hakane ka jok ba kerdu kam kerdu jam kim dei ban khmilanti tangai ka kam sarkar hinrei ban thaulanti haki weipat kiru kam kamai jakpo hakane ka sngi la yo ru ban sami ki khusnam siki nong job hakajing kop drawing draw bat kajing kop top poetry yaki bala pennong kum sipenta jong jing rakhe ya ka sngi penne maryang ka ba mentau snam
to be here this morning on this special program for the distribution of MTAP. I can understand there are about 800 students who are going to benefit from this distribution of MTAPs. And also, I am pleased to know that we have just distributed the prize to the winners of the special program conducted by Block Development Office with regards to the Environment Day celebration. My dear students, it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this meaningful program. And the government of Meghalaya is continuing with its efforts to provide facilities to you, the students of this district. I can see different uniforms which reflects that you hails from different schools of these districts. You are the students, you are the youth of today. And I would like to remind and tell all of you that you are the future of the society. I am very delighted to know that Kyrwoh is here. Do you still remember Kyrwoh? Yes. Really? Yes. During COVID, remember during COVID? I'm sure that this MTAP is being designed in such a way that there's some restrictions not beyond what is supposed to be. And it is for the purpose of online classes and so on. It's not for going to any sites like what you call some songs and so many sites nowadays. Unwanted sites, I should say, right? So I'm sure that this MTAP must have some restrictions to ensure that the students who have this MTAPs should have a focus on what the purpose is being given to. That digital platform to be a part with the rest of the country, rest of the world. Though, as I have said, we are much behind, but we have to accept this change as far as technology is concerned, which demands each and every one of us Now, when it comes to technology, let me share you something. I've been talking with Chief Minister and I've been discussing about this unemployment. Now the hot topic in doubt is what? What is the hot topic? What? Reservation. Right? Reservation policy. They said, we want more, we want less, we want this, we want that. Right? But the data tell us that there are about 50,000 to 60,000 youth who completed at least graduation and about looking for a job. I want to throw this into each and every mind today that government job will be available at the most 800 to 1,000 each year. Now when we talk about 1,000, 800 to 1,000 each year, just now I said that around 50 to 60,000 youth, students who have cleared the exams looking for employment. What about the rest of 49,000? What about the rest of 49,000? I am not discouraging all of you who are sitting in this room. Don't get discouraged by this message. You should be fully motivated right from today that your aim is not only getting government job. You have to do something and you have to start something on your own. That should be the mindset for each and every student who are in this state.